Hello everyone, why is the braised chicken at restaurants so delicious? It turns out the method is so simple, the meat is tender and juicy, and the broth is rich and flavorful. Let me show you how I make it. Prepare an appropriate amount of fresh chicken drumsticks. Chop them into small pieces. After chopping, put them into a bowl. Heat a pot of water, add the chicken pieces to the cold water to blanch them, and add a little cooking wine to remove any unpleasant odor, then bring it to a boil over high heat. Once it boils, skim off the foam on the surface. This is the blood from the chicken and has a strong odor. Then cook for another 2 minutes. Once it's done, pour it out. Rinse it clean. Prepare a potato and cut it. Then cut it into pieces. After cutting, place them on a plate. Prepare 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper and cut them into pieces as well. After cutting, set them aside on a plate. Prepare an appropriate amount of soaked shiitake mushrooms and cut them into small pieces. After cutting, place them on a plate. Slice 10 grams of ginger. After slicing, put them on a plate and chop a few cloves of garlic into small pieces. The sauce flavor is very important for Huangmen chicken. In a bowl, add 1 spoonful of yellow soybean paste, 1 spoonful of light soy sauce, and 1 spoonful of oyster sauce, in a 1:1:1 ratio. Stir well with a spoon. Add a little oil to the pan, then add an appropriate amount of rock sugar. Melt the rock sugar over low heat. Cook until it turns yellow. Finally, when it starts bubbling densely and turns reddish brown, it's ready. Then add the chicken pieces and stir fry evenly until they are colored. Add ginger and garlic, then pour in the prepared sauce. Stir fry over high heat to bring out the aroma of the sauce. Then add an appropriate amount of hot water. Bring to a boil over high heat. The braising in Huangmen chicken is also very important. After boiling, transfer everything into a clay pot. Add a suitable amount of salt to season. Add the sliced shiitake mushrooms. Cover with a lid and simmer over medium heat for 10 minutes, allowing the chicken to fully absorb the flavors of the mushrooms and sauce. After 10 minutes, add the potato pieces. Simmer for another 10 minutes. Finally, add the green and red peppers. Cook until the green and red peppers are done, and it's ready to serve. Huangmen chicken made using this method is absolutely delicious, just as good as what you get outside. The meat is tender and juicy, the sauce is rich and flavorful, and everyone who tries it can't stop praising it. If you like my video, remember to like, comment and share it. Thank you for your support.